Have you ever wondered what the difference between the absolute and relative color scale in FruitLook is? Let me explain. The absolute scale uses a fixed range that is predefined for each data parameter. This means that the color representation of the data stays consistent across different fields and time periods. For example, let's say the evapotranspiration scale ranges from 0 to 100 millimeters. A value of 20 millimeters will always be shown in the same color, no matter which field you're looking at or which week you're viewing. So whether you're checking block B1 today or block B2 next week, 20 millimeters will look exactly the same on the map. On the other hand, the relative scale works differently. Here, the minimum and maximum values are adjusted dynamically based on the data for the specific field and time period you selected. This means that the color scale will be different for each field and each time period because it adapts to the specific range of values present in that dataset. For example, if evaporation in one field ranges from 7 to 16 millimeters during a specific period, the colors will be scaled within that range. Then, if the next period's values range from 9 to 20 millimeters, the color scale will adjust to fit the new range. So the same color might represent a different value, depending on the context. The key takeaways are: absolute scale is great for comparing data across different fields and time periods because it uses a consistent reference, so the same value always looks the same. Relative scale, on the other hand, is ideal for spotting variations within a single field at a specific point in time. But keep in mind, it's not suited for comparing values between different fields or across time, since the scale adjusts based on selected data. You should now have a better understanding of the difference between absolute and relative scales, and when to use each one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the FruitLook Help Desk. We're here to help.